Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to work with email statistics from the emails you've sent out. Let's say you sent out an email, and again I've been using this John campaign to illustrate how to do this. Well, using the John campaign, here's my blue box right here. And if I click on it once, another box is going to come up. I can edit the email content or in essence the template. But if I click on this drop down arrow, I have some other options. I'm going to choose View Email Statistics and then click on Go. Now keep in mind this email has not been sent out. But once it's sent out, you will get all kinds of information up top about that email. In addition to that, you'll be able to click on this drop down and break it down and pull up unique information related to this email that you send out. So by clicking on the drop down, you'll get more options. Now that's one way to see that. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on Actions and I'm going to click on Return. When I click on Return, I come back here and now I'm going to go up to the top right hand corner and go down to where it says Campaign Dashboard. This is another way to see some information about your campaign, but it's presented to you in a little bit of a different manner. So what I urge you to do is once you've sent out an email, come in and look at it in both ways. This one you can't really drill down and get the information as easily, but this is another way to look at it. I personally am a little torn between these two options because sometimes you might look at one and not even realize the other one existed. So just be aware of them, use them to your advantage. You might find some information is more beneficial one way than the other way. You can also export some of the data down below. So again, review both of them after you've sent a campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.